it says we're live, and you should just be able to refresh it on your page.
Okay.
Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. My name is Dylan with Designs by Dylan, and we are here at Ellis Home and Garden this morning. So sorry about the delay. We have been working on getting the camera fixed. I can't get the camera to work on the Mevo camera, so you guys will have to let me know if you can hear me on this video, and if not, then we'll have to see what else we can do. But this is the best I can do right now. Unfortunately, we were just in a crunch and I wanted to make sure I could try and go live for y'all. Something's going on with the camera and we're not sure what. So as y'all come on this morning, y'all leave us a comment, let us know you're here and where you're watching from, and any questions or comments you have throughout today's video, drop those down below as well. All right? So we're gonna do a Christmas gift package. This is one of my favorite items that they carry here at Ellis, because not only can you put this in your trees or on your countertop because it does plug in, but you can also decorate the tops of these and make instant, easy, simple arrangements or centerpieces for your home. Okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to tie myself a bow to go up here in the center of this gift package, okay? And again, as y'all come in, y'all just kind of give us a thumbs up if everything is good. We had a camera problem, so this is my phone, and I just kind of set it right here beside us just to make sure I could try and go live for y'all, but I can't promise you that the volume's going to be great, so I just want to warn you now. Hey Angela, hey Kelly, hey Laura. Okay, so let's get our ribbon here. And I'm going to use a smaller, guys. This is a 1.5 inch velvet ribbon, which I always love. Just because they're really simple and easy to work with. So I'm gonna tie myself probably a 5-loop bow to go up here at the top of this present, okay? And again, these do light up. And these gift boxes, they come in different textures, they come in different colors and sizes.
And okay on volume for one person right now. 2 people.
They come in different colors and sizes and themes and all that stuff. And so you can use them at your house to match your theme, whatever it is that you guys want to do. Okay, so before we even get into it, y'all, I did not get to watch Dancing with the Stars last night, unfortunately. But I know it moved to Disney Plus, so there's a new platform. I know that Carlton, what's his name? Is that his name, Carlton? The guy from Wilson? Alfonso. I always call him Carlton, honey. Anyway, Carlton, that's what I'm gonna keep calling him, because I grew up with Carlton. I heard he's the new host with Tyra, and so I can't wait to see how that dynamic turned out. And I was really upset because I just wanted to see what Tyra had on. That's Morgan and I's favorite thing, to see what, frock she's got on for the week. So if you guys did watch Dancing with the Stars, let me know what you thought of the new hosting situation, the new platform on Disney Plus, if you love it, if you hate it. So I know what to expect when I get ready to decorate. And not decorate, watch.
Wish Tyra would go.
Oh, you wish Tyra would go. Me too, girl. They should have never messed with those hostess before, Tom and Aaron. I thought they did a fabulous job. But you know what? I do like, you said his name's Alfonso. I'm going to try and call him that, but I'm probably still going to call him Carlton. He does a good job because I love America's Funniest Videos, and he's the host on there. So he could be good.
You ever watch The Split?
The Split?
On Hulu?
The Split. Is that about a guy with multiple personalities? I've seen a movie called Split.
Or what? Spilt.
Oh, Spilt.
I can't see. Hang on.
No, I haven't seen that either.
No, it is Split.
Oh, yeah. There's a movie I've seen, guys. It's called Split, and it's about this guy with multiple personalities. Is that what y'all are talking about? Okay, y'all, look. In 2 seconds, I added a simple red bow on top. So I always mention to you that ribbon is a great, inexpensive way to fill in your arrangements, and it really dresses everything up super quickly. But now we're just going to add some florals and mix in with this. And that brings us to our item of the week. So the item of the week this week here at Ellis is all of the Christmas floral, guys, is 15% off at ellishomeandgarden.com. So make sure you go to ellishomeandgarden.com, check it out. I know they have different varieties and stuff, so if you want to use something different than what I'm showing you here today on this project, then you guys could totally do that as well.
Laura says that even makes a big difference already.
Hey, Joe Miller. I know, Laura, doesn't it? A little bit goes a long way, girl. Okay. And also, you can cut your stems, guys. I'm using a little bit of cedar. And you can actually just glue these directly into the material that this gift package is made out of, okay? So I've got 4 to 5 cedar stems here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to rotate this and continue adding them all the way around. Hey Jody, hey Dana. So I'm happy to announce that Sunday I reserved a few hours and I got my front porch decorated finally for Halloween. And I started helping my mom. We're gonna finish hers up this afternoon. But you know, she lives on the other side of the street. So my street is almost like a big U shape. And on my side of the street, the sun sets in my front yard in the evening. And in the mornings, it sets on her side. And so we started working on her porch, but it was the morning time and the sun nearly killed us. And we got into a fire ant bed. And so we had to clean all that stuff up. But so tonight we're gonna finish hers up and then we'll both be decorated for Halloween. I can't wait. But have you guys decorated?
When you were getting your stuff, did you see any poinsettia bushes or picks?
Yeah, of course. There's lots of poinsettias here, guys, in both a stem version and a bush, and I'm sure there's a bunch online too. And if there's these gift packages, they come in 3 different sizes. I think a small, medium, and large. And so if you have the larger gift box, you could easily incorporate a poinsettia on there, and that would look fab. Okay, so I added a little bit of greenery. Look how pretty, guys, already. And I chose the greenery that looks like cedar. So it looks more realistic and fresh. And you can always just use a PVC pick to go on there. And what that is basically, it looks like a piece of Christmas garland that you cut off. And that gives you a great foundation to add all your other fun stuff as well. Okay, now we're gonna move on to a little bit of lime green because I have a lime green gift package with red, you know, ribbon tails down it. I chose to use the red velvet ribbon. I put in 4 pieces of that beautiful realistic cedar. And again, all the picks are 15% off at ellishomeandgarden.com. And now I have this pick, which look, you can pull it and you get 3 pieces. So we're gonna pop that in here too. Okay, hey Beatrice. Okay, I was telling Dina, we talked last week, honey, I went around the world, okay, and got me a DVD player, and I think a DVD player, asking for that at a store, that's like asking for a VHS player now. Because I was on the phone with Morgan, I went to Target, there was this guy back there, and I asked the guy, I was like, hey, do y'all have a DVD player? And I said, let's watch his face. I'm talking, I didn't get that out of my mouth before he just gave me this crazy look, and he was like, a DVD player? I said, yes. And so I got one, y'all, and it was $69 for a DVD player. So I got one. I went to this movie store we have, and this is exactly why I missed Hastings and Blockbuster, because sometimes you need a good old movie store. And I found the DVD of Silkwood with Meryl Streep and Cher. And you couldn't stream it anywhere, so that's why I went on this wild goose chase. So I finally got home, got the DVD player hooked up, and put the movie in, and it was scratched. I'm just kidding. No, it was a brand new movie. But the movie was excellent. I give it a 10. I told Dina it started off kind of slow, but the only thing I couldn't get away from in that movie, you know, she died basically of cancer or radiation, you know. How did she not die of lung cancer? I mean, they smoked cigarettes from the minute they woke up to the minute they went to sleep. I couldn't get over it. My throat was hurting, honey. I left with smoke coming out of my nose. Did you notice how many cigarettes they smoked? I hope they were herbal. But anyway, I give the movie a 10. It was really good. So I did watch that over the weekend. And then this weekend we have the East Texas Angel Network benefit here, which is the Neil McCoy Foundation. So we're excited about that. The dinner, the auction dinner, charity dinner is on Friday. And then the concert is on Saturday here at the Belcher Center. So we're excited for this weekend. But I'm more excited for next weekend. Y'all know why? Because I'm leaving. I'm going to Dallas, to Morgan's. And it's time for Hocus Pocus. So I can't wait. Okay, guys. I cut apart my little pieces here of the green. And I'm just using this to, you know, spruce this gift box up a little bit. And you guys could use any floral sprays that you want. Floral sprays are great because they give you color, they give you depth and dimension, and they give you fun. You know, we're all about having fun for Christmas and being creative. And there's lots of different sprays out there available to you. And there's some that are more on an elegant, you know, side of things. and then some that are more whimsical, which you could use those as well.
Allie's going to Cancun on Sunday.
Who is? Hallie? Hallie, I'm so jealous. My aunt and uncle just got back from Cancun, and my sister just got back from Cabo in July, and guess where Dylan has been? Nowhere. And last week, was I here on Tuesday?
No.
Let me tell you what happened to me. Okay. I wasn't here last week on Tuesday, y'all. So, Monday I was at work all day, and I decided to call, and I don't even know if this is the reason. I couldn't leave, and I needed something to eat. So I got on Waiter, and I got a sandwich waitered to me. I'm not going to tell you the name of the place, because it couldn't even be them. It took 2.5 hours, and I called them, and they said they basically had forgot, blah, blah, blah. So I get my sandwich, I eat. This is like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I get home at 6:30, and I just don't feel right. You know, I don't feel right. So I go to bed. Y'all, at 3 o'clock in the morning, I woke up, and I kind of felt nauseous. And sometimes when I feel nauseous, it's because I get heartburn really bad, and so I keep Tums beside the nightstand. And I took a Tum, and I lay back down, and 5 minutes later, I kind of like sat up in the bed, and I had to run to the bathroom and throw. I mean, I threw it for like an hour straight, all through the rest of the night. I laid back down. I skipped the video on Tuesday. I was sick and did not have my energy back until Saturday morning. I don't know what it was. I had no fever, but I had body aches. I had chills. I did a COVID test. I took everything I could. I don't know what it was. So it could have been like a 24-hour long stomach bug, or it could have been a food poisoning. I don't know. But I have never been sick like that. I never throw up. And the worst part is on Sunday I weighed. I hadn't lost 1 pound. Okay? I mean, I always pray for a stomach virus because, I could lose 3 pounds, but I didn't lose 1 pound. But anyway, it took me out all week last week. It was miserable. And on Tuesday, when we were supposed to have the video, that day and Wednesday, I thought I was going to die. I felt terrible. Okay, y'all, look how pretty. So we added in a little bit of that lime green. Oh, we have a child on aisle 3. Hey, Morgan. So now we're going to mix. You know I love mixing whimsical and elegant at the same time. So these are some fun little lollipops, 15% off on the website. So we're going to use some of these as well. And if y'all are looking for a cute little show to watch on Netflix, not with your kids, okay, but it's called Partner Track. It's super cute. It's about this girl and her friends who are all working at a law firm, and they're wanting to make partner. They're on track to make partner, hence the title. But honey, it's all the drama in the law firm and all the things, but you guys will love it. So check it out on Netflix. And if you love fantasy, and what I mean by fantasy is like Harry Potter or the Sandman show that came out, or anything like that, and this is what I was going to tell Dina, there's a show on Netflix called Fate, F-A-T-E, The Winx Saga, W-I-N-X.
Yeah, I did see some of that.
Did you watch the first season last year?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the second season just came out. It's so good, y'all.
Okay.
It's about fairies, and it sounds stupid, but the show is so good. And if you like fantasy, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, Alicia.
Yeah, that's kind of like what I was saying about the Bureau of Magical Things. It's fairies and elves and...
Ah! Did you watch that show last year about the kid with antlers?
Yes.
I loved it.
Sweet Tooth.
Yes, I'm hoping that comes out soon. It's amazing me and Dana get anything done. But, we have to watch all these shows. Okay, y'all. So I took a pic that had 3 little, what do you call these? Lollipops on there. And girl, I'm just adding them in. And I like to put them where they're not always at the same height. So you can change it up just a tad. But look how cute those are. Stuck a few of those in there. Okay, and one last thing we're going to add to this little bad boy is a little bit of red glitter. And we're going to put this, we're going to use my favorite. Anybody know what this is called? Honey locust spray. We're going to put this underneath the cedar. So it really enhances it and makes it pretty. So Hallie, I'm glad you watched season 1 again, because we haven't watched that in a year. And usually I remember everything. Josh just didn't remember what we watched yesterday. I could not remember a thing about that show other than I liked it. So we watched a 10-minute recap on YouTube, like somebody had done one, and that helped a bunch. But since you watched season 1, that'll be good, because they do reference a lot of that stuff in this new season. Next on my list that I haven't done yet, Dina, is an officer and gentleman. I have it on my watch list. I've just got to find time to do it. Look, y'all. Isn't that red pretty under there? So I'm just adding a little bit of this in. You could probably get away with using one stem of honey locust if you wanted to. Okay, y'all. And that right there, we made a super pretty gift box. And I love that ribbon. I think it's my favorite part about this so far. So cute. Hey, Sharon. Hey, Nancy. So again, guys, these gift boxes are on the website, I believe, ellishomeandgarden.com. There's lots of different options. There's lots of different sizes and colors and themes. All the Christmas floral that I added in here and so much more is 15% off at ellishomeandgarden.com. So y'all check that out because you can get those good deals on there. Also, I don't want to tell you wrong. I think it's $100, but if you spend over $100, I think you get free shipping. Okay? And if it's wrong, please don't call me. I really do think that's true, though. I think it's $100. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope that y'all have an incredible rest of your week. Again, I apologize for being on this new little setup here, but my camera wouldn't work, my Mevo camera. So, you know, when all else fails, you got to get out your, your flip phone. And thank God it's working. But y'all have a fantastic week. Shop the website. Y'all can follow me on Facebook at Designs by Dylan. There's all kinds of exciting things going on there. I have a video coming out today of my store reveal, so you can check that out. And y'all come out to Ellis because they've got all the pumpkins are out there. They got Pumpkin Glow coming up in October, which they're preparing for, and everything is looking fabulous. And I can't wait for you guys to see it, and I can't wait to see it myself. So, hi, Andrea from the UK. Hope you're having a wonderful, night there?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Hope you're having a great afternoon. Hi, Barb. All right, guys. We love y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all next week here at Ellis. Bye, y'all.
Bye.